Hello my beautiful people, now welcome back to my channel. So today I come say make I do this makeup challenge when somebody tag me say make I do since for Instagram. Now one girl for Instagram called African something. I go find her handle, make I put her for the link in the description box below. Now she tagged me since say make I do this makeup challenge in my dialect. I can't look and say make I not go fool myself for YouTube. Can't go they do my dialect when I know sabi speak. I know they proud of am, make una no insult me, no verse. So now I jeje respect myself. I text this girl back say, my darling, no verse, so I like this challenge. I for like do am, but I not sabi speak my dialect fluently. And she can say okay, she understands. So now of recent, about 3-4 days ago, my friend Ebun come tell me say I need to see this makeup challenge well for YouTube with dialect and all that. And Tessie, why would I not try am? So now I explain give Ebu say somebody don't tag me before, but basically I not sabi speak my dialect. So I say I don't want fool myself. I can't tell the girl say I no fit one. So now she tell me say, you feel speaking like that now. It no matter. Even all those jargons now go make am sweet. I got like say no, my own worse because it hard. I know the feel speak am well at all. So she come suggest say okay, Pidgin English self no bad. Now me self I think I say okay. Since I feel speak Pidgin English wella, so no wahala. So make I just try use Pidgin English. So now make me come up with this challenge today. And this look when I do so now date night look that they call am. It mean the look where if you use follow your bobo or your husband go dinner date or go eat for restaurants for night or for club safe. So now it's okay, make I do this look. So my people, when I want to see how I struggle to get this look for my face, so because now struggle, I know like for those who know me, I know say I'm not too good for makeup. The little when I know now, the one when I watch from all this my makeup gurus for here for YouTube. So now I say make I do the look today. So if you want to see how I take get this look, sit down, jeje, carry your Coca-Cola, your popcorn, make you relax, make you laugh, and see how I take get this look. So my people, make we go do this makeup. So my darlings, now maybe this without the makeup, but I just managed to do my eyebrow for behind the camera because I'm not sure so I won't see me struggle with that one. I gave you that. The thing they had me not be small. So now I won't start the main makeup. I already know say I not be expert for makeup, I be. So the first thing I go put for my face now this primer. Now they say I'm so. LA Girl Pro Prep. Yes, to prep my face. Now they call primer. So I go put small now. Very little. So after I done primer now, I go come put my foundation. And the foundation when I want use today now this MILANI foundation. Which color be that again? No, I don't remember. I go put the color for the screen make una see am. Vest like this. Make una no vest. Be like say don't finish. Make I open her like this. I go put her like this. Me, I know they too like too much foundation. No. I think this one don't do. So now I go come blend her with my foundation brush. I hope this one not too much so. Now wow. But make una no vex, make I blend that way for behind camera. My people, I don't come back from behind camera where I go blend my foundation very well. Like una know I no be expert. So I just try my best. So the next step now, what I want to do next, now to highlight and contour with LA Girl Pro concealer. So I want to do my concealer and what do they call them? Highlights, contour. Okay. So I go take the thing like this. I go apply them under like this.
Baby, wait, check out your release. See, I love your backside and your sexy figure. Give me love, my baby girl, for your grace and the grace. Oh. Anything you want, just tell me, girl. I go help you purchase. Oh. For this kind love, I love you. girl.
So my people, the next thing to do now to blend all these things.
I know say you carry comfort.
When I see my pikin for back, no, they let me rest.
No other Miami. Baby girl, I'm down for you. Let nobody come for you.
Say I won't bake my face with this thing that they call Sasha butter cup. No be butter o, na powder for face, because I remember when my husband helped me use them, he test am say na butter the thing be. He say because they like butter. Na small one I won't use sef.
Why you act like say now you be Nicki Minaj? Yeah, you boss my brain like Ricky and Eminado. Come give me love, my baby girl.
Why the thing they bake? He get this other stick cone when I buy. I don't even know, but I sabi use them safe to contour. Yes, so I could just do. You know who dark safe. Face they bake like this, so my simple go-to eyeshadow I won't do now because I no fit for wahala all those kind of stuff, because I know sabi. I could just do smoky eye, black. My eyeshadows be this look when I want do now, they call them smoky eye. Now I name her date night look, and the kind of look you they use when you want go out with your bobo, your husband or anyone for night. I won't go dinner or anywhere, so that's why they do my own. Very easy. I not sabi stress too much for this my eye, because I not too sabi. I don't want to make mistake.
Anything you want, just tell me, girl. I go help you purchase. Oh, for this kind love, I love you, girl.
I think it don't set. I think just put small shiny. Hope I not go spoil it.
I know say you carry comfort. You know of my Miami, no other Miami, Baby girl, I'm down for you. Let nobody come for you. I'm your body, you're my soul.
Hope this my powder not too much. I've been at the camera, they make can look like say too much. So the next step, I want to do my eyeliner. To do my cat eye, I mean a fish eye that they call themselves. I don't know. This one will be tricky one. Oh. Hope I do am well. Make a check am for mirror first. Wow, this one a ogbonge cat eye. See, it's sharp come out like this. So now I want to do the finishing touch, which is the finishing powder. So now this mark I always use. I go try to blend everything. Even my neck, make I blend and join. Make I not come be Coke and Fanta. I don't blend everything. What you remain now? Okay, yeah, I never do my mascara. Okay. This I know sabi do eyelashes, so the mascara they go for. So this is my volume mascara from Golden Rose. Since na date night and a night outing, so na shine lips we want. So no other color I go use apart from red now. Now my pikin voice when I hear for background. So now my matte lipstick be this from Classic and Lady Gaga. Okay, make we apply them now. I remember one thing. I never put my, what do they call them? Highlighter. Now night now I need to sparkle. And my highlighter be this. Shine, shine, baby.
When you smile, baby, give me love, oh baby. For your love, I go celebrate. For your love, oh, I go jubilate. Baby, wait, check out your relate. See, I love your backside and sexy figure 8.
Sparkle, baby. So my people, how now see this my date night look? I never wear my wig, I go soon wear it now. As my date night, let's make I add the lip gloss, make the thing shine well. Make it shine well so that if I come, they go see me. So my people, now my date night look be this, so smoky eyes date night look. How now see am? Shebi I try. It's not easy to do this thing, but be like say I could like pack this my hair. Make we see now. How una see am like this? If fine like this, I be like say myself I like am like this, so easy and simple. Ooh, I not too bad for this makeup. How una see am? Okay, now we don't come to the end of this video, my people. Hope una enjoy am. I beg you. If una never subscribe to my channel, I beg make una help my ministry now. Subscribe, make this business they move. You know now, una support now I go fit move forward. I beg. I no want make I be like Patricia Bright one day. Because I dey beg una. Una thank you. So see una for my other video. Una do well, make una greet una people for her. So dalu, thank you. Bye.